Hi, my name is Sharice Fussner, and I teach geometry at Winter Park Ninth Grade Center.
What do I know about equilateral triangles?
My teaching method is getting the students engaged in any way that I can possibly get the students engaged.
Open up your hands a little bit like this. Now open it up a lot bigger. What's gonna happen to that third side? Angle got bigger, the third side's gonna have to get.
I try to make a safe space for all the students to feel comfortable. And I feel like that's one of the things in my classroom that comes across is they feel comfortable to talk, to be wrong, to ask for questions and to get that help.
Going into ninth grade, I was like, maybe this isn't for me. And having her there like really made me look at how I'm doing things and say, yes, this is for me. This is something I know I can do. And she encouraged that from the start of the year all the way to the end of the EOC.
Growing up, I had a really tough life, and all my teachers poured into me and helped me see that education was an opportunity to build a better life. And I want to do that for students.
I think the impact that she made on John was, I think it's a big change to move into high school. And I feel like there's a lot of opportunities, I think, for teachers to help fill in a few of those gaps where kids feel insecure about things. And she really just helped make him feel very confident.
I want them to remember the fun they had in this room and that they could accomplish anything that was difficult. They faced a difficult task and they were able to accomplish that and overcome it and learn. And so when they go in their lives, in their jobs, when they face something that's difficult, that they have that perseverance to be able to get past that and work through those problems.